native bin too. I'm making good progress getting through these. American Bellflower, about 4 in this pot, about 3 in the pot behind it, maybe 4, depending on how many of those are weeds. Agastache foeniculum. I think there's a ton in here. And quite a few in pot too. This is one of the asters, Symphyotrichum, oblongifolium. Anyways, there's only one in this pot, but I planted out a clump earlier that's doing really well. Some Gaillardia, nice full pot of that, and there's already some planted out in the yard. Alright, Verbena, hastata, nothing. Gotta try that again. Not sure what went wrong. Baptisia, I believe this is indigo. It's a common name. At least 3 or 4 in that pot. 4 maybe in that pot. So pretty good. That's plenty. Canada Milk Vetch maybe is the common name. Just 1. That's okay. That's all I needed. Lobelia, cardinalis. I don't see anything in there. There's that one little plant. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's a weed. I need to look it up. Overall, not great. And gentian. This one did not come up. They're pretty fussy, so I'm not really surprised. Culver's root. I think I have 1 in this pot and 1 weed. And then several in this pot. So not bad. Still pretty small though. 1 Monarda. And this mint didn't come up at all either. I think that's another surface sow where it just got too disturbed. But that's okay. Try again next year. Now this gentian, I think this is fringed gentian, did come up. So I'm not sure how. I might just plant these all in one clump. Lobelia. Decent chunk of that. Second pot of it also is pretty full. Behind that we have our hairy penstemon hirsutus, and a tag-along. I need to figure out who this is. This is clearly out of one of the other pots. These seeds were in my wireframe too, and I think some birds moved some things around. So, I mean, it's definitely something I planted. I just gotta match it up. I'm guessing it's one of the native sunflowers, but we'll play the matching game and figure it out later. The other pot of penstemon has a few in it too. This one, I see a few tiny seedlings. I'm not sure if that's it or if it's weeds, so I'm going to just plant it and flag it somewhere and hopefully see what it looks like next year. Either planting weeds or a good plant. I don't know. When they're super tiny, like, I don't know how you would tell. Alright, some pygnanthemum. 2 nice full pots of that. So that's exciting. I love the mints. They're really cool. Some kind of like white sage thing, I believe. So that pot and this pot. I think it's really funny how 2 pots grown in the same scenario, one comes out really nice and one looks like that. This one, I'm going to pop a picture in because it's out in the yard already. Sylphium perfoliatum, out here in the yard. And I think that's everybody.